Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Care Pro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on iPhone. So go to settings, from here go to general and tap iPhone storage. From here you can clear your cache so easily. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one's cache. So if you want to clear your app cache, you just simply tap offload app and your cache will be deleted. So this is how you can remove or clear your cache by tapping this offload app. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.